Purewa Bridge is an important bridge connecting the central city to Auckland's inner eastern suburbs. This bridge is nearly 100 years old and carries more than 20,000 vehicles per day. Auckland Transport had identified a requirement for repair works and were interested in trialling technology that could help us confirm the condition of the bridge, as well as the extent of work that might be required. We were challenged by the difficulty accessing the bridge for close inspection and not wanting to close the bridge, thereby avoiding disruption to traffic.
We carried out a manual inspection earlier this year from a boat, but it was difficult to access the whole structure. Having met with Niricson, we discovered a technology that could provide value to the work we do with Auckland Transport and an ability to assess 100% of this structure.
Niricson deployed Dronic, our data collection architecture, at Purewa Bridge in May of 2023. After a day of training with Niricson's proprietary payload, we then spent 4 days at the bridge collecting data. Working with Beca's internal UAV team, we collected RGB imagery and acoustic soundings from the piers, underdeck, and longitudinal beams. As the Purewa Bridge has been recently inspected, we wanted to do some A/B testing of our technology and compare results directly with the traditional assessment methods. Over the span of 4 days of collection, roughly 15,000 high-resolution photos were collected at sub-millimeter pixel resolution. This allowed us to identify cracks that were incredibly small in width, and acoustic points were also collected across the beams and piers with an added focus on areas that the manual inspection had identified delamination earlier. After processing this data, Niricson was able to provide a valuable final digital condition assessment to the client. The client was very happy with the image quality. The 3D model was also a revolution in their ability to assess the asset, especially areas that were previously incredibly difficult to access. Also, with Niricson's technology being able to automatically identify and quantify defects such as cracking, spalling, and delamination, this was a huge win. We were able to analyze areas that were not easily accessible for manual inspection, and as a result, we managed to provide a more holistic condition assessment.